Do you know that what will not kill you make you stronger? I call that the dragon principle. If today is the first time you are watching this video, my name is Dr. Jamal Mohammed. I'm a senior lecturer in economics and an entrepreneur. We all know what a dragon is, but one of the good things that we can learn in terms of our growing in the ladder of progress or in terms of our growth in our businesses is to emulate the wings of dragon, how they function even when there are difficulties. Whatever will not kill you will definitely give you lessons to be learned and how you progress from where you want to get to. Some lessons are learned the hard way, whilst others are learned the soft way. But one of the most important things we must be very much abreast with is that when there are difficulties that you are saddled with, your ability to navigate this difficulty is what makes you successful at what you want to do. And that is why we call it the dragon principle. You will need to toughen your skin. You need to toughen your approach. You need to toughen how you deal with people. Certain times you may be considered to be somebody who is difficult. But what principles you put forth as an individual and how you go about it in dealing with people is very much important. And so I've always made a point, and I'm of the view that when difficulties come your way, the best approach is to deal with it in such a manner where you can withstand these difficulties by first of all conscientizing your mind and dealing with how you perceive that difficulty, which means that the dragon principle says that you must always meet difficulties that you find your way with some level of tougher decisions that you take, and this can always open up opportunities for you. And so as you join me in discussing our progress to growth in terms of change management, and at the same time bringing ourselves to emotional intelligence in knowing what we can do to sustain ourselves in this precarious environment. I want you to remember that anytime you find yourself in difficult situations, the best is to deal with your mind. The next is to toughen the decision that you want to take. And then the third thing you can do is to accept that